Today I'm going to be making a short quick video on how to remove the sheathing on MC cable using basic hand tools. I got some locking pliers, some side cutters, and some adjustable pliers. They do have specialty tools for this, but it's a specialty tool. It's made for just this. It'd be recommended if you do this for a living, if you're doing lots and lots of this. But if you're a homeowner or you're somebody that's not going to be using this too much, you're more apt to use these three items than that specialty tool. You buy these, you have them the rest of your life. Specialty tool, you'll have it for the rest of your life too, I guess, but you won't get the use out of it that you would these if you're just a homeowner. So let's go ahead and get this stuff stripped and finished up. All right, so you got the tools, you got the wire. First step, make sure your locking pliers are adjusted to this wire. You want to make sure that when you lock your pliers onto this cable, it's locked on right now, you want to make sure that it doesn't smash the clad. You don't want to smash it, you don't want to deform it. You just want it tight enough so when it grabs it, it doesn't slip. And you'll see why in a second. Next thing is to look at how this is twisted. See how it's twisted in a spiral like that? Okay, so you want to turn it that way with these pliers. So you got this locked on. You get your adjustable pliers, put it real close, doesn't have to be dead on it, just get them real close and turn it. Start turning it and you'll feel it kind of give, right? So when it gives, look what you've done. Now you can take these off, and you want to be real careful with this, okay? You want to make sure that you don't, well, this metal cable, if you don't know what you're doing, it's real easy to cut one of these wires. You don't want to do that. There's a plastic sheathing around it. You don't want to do that. Just be safe, be careful what you're doing, pay attention, check over it once you stripped it to make sure. Always double check. I always do. Anyways, you get your snips, go ahead and cut it, and you can pull a little bit with your hand there. I didn't cut it all the way. Camera's making me nervous, guys. What the heck? All right, so I just cut it. Slides right off, and you obviously want it tidy. You don't want some big junk like that hanging off. It normally turns out a lot better than this, but when I'm on camera, I just want to show you guys what really happens. Anyways, get your snips, cut that off. It just flew over there somewhere. I'll probably never find it again. You can just tidy that. I mean, just make sure, you know, I'm not a professional. I do this for a living. Just trying to show you guys how to easily do this because I Googled it and couldn't find any information worth the heck on it. Anyways, so you got your cable stripped. See the plastic on it there? Leave that on. You need an anti-short bushing. If you're researching how to do this, you probably don't know that you need this. This is called an anti-short bushing. You put this on before you put any fittings on this. Okay? So you can do like that, or you can slide it on there, whatever you want to do. Put your anti-short bushing on there, press it up in there like so. See what it does there? It keeps the metal from coming in contact with the wires. You move it around and put your fittings on and all that. Anyways, so you get your anti-short bushing on there. You want to pull it down just like that. Through that little gap in the anti-short bushing, right? Then you get your side cutters and you just snip that off, and you're ready for a fitting. That's pretty much all there is to this, guys. It's not too complicated, but you know, when you're messing with electrical stuff, you can never be too safe. Hope this helped you out, guys, in some way. Hope you got something good from it. If you like it, like and subscribe. I do a lot of crazy stuff like this, so I appreciate it. Thank you, guys. See you in the next one.